Me and this man they wipe. This man say I know they wet. This man will carry crude oil.
Before they wet.
Crude oil.
Your mates they touch and they don't wet. They wet.
Crude. What thing carry crude oil? Oil the way mechanic people they use. Engine oil. And this man carry my body.
He agree buy oil for the house. He agree buy
granted
for the house.
This man go use engine oil.
I beg more another verse. Wait, now never they understand. Hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from and whatever time you're watching it. My name is Happiness. Welcome to Efosa Black TV, and today I'm right here with another matter to handle. As on no problem, not the finish for this country every day. Alright guys, before I go into the matter, please like, share and add your comments, whatever you think about this story you're about to hear in the comment section. So I for like explain, but then I won't make him talk by himself so that maybe they no can say I did talk or something. It's better to hear from the horse's mouth. So Oga, that's when you tell me I beg make you talk again me my audience in for you.
Thank you. My name is Stanley.
Oga Stanley.
Waiting I tell you say now my woman when I be there with for us. I don't reach like 3 years old day for us. Okay. This my woman suddenly now just carry. I be mechanic. I did pride. I be mechanic.
No, work now. Something where they give you money. At least you know they safe. So.
Yes, me when be mechanic. I don't set up house when I dey stay. She come follow me dey the house. For no suddenly this girl come dey act strange. When I come back from work the next day now, this girl don't carry all her clothes them everything come out. I say wetin I do this girl. Me and the mothers they relate. I dey call the mothers themselves. The mother they tell me say warn me say if I try call her daughter again, she go carry police arrest me. I say wetin be this? Me
the mama herself.
Yes.
And you don't do anything.
I don't do one thing. Wetin I want to person they plan marriage. Say
una dey plan marriage.
Yes. Now leave my house like that. I that one don't do no pain me now. Wait, I can't find out say I won't use my ATM now. I no see him. Wetin be this one again now? And that day I won't go buy goods. My customer send me money when I go use some of 650,000 when I go use buy goods for in car. Yes, so when I go use buy goods for in car. But before you know, for evening time, wait till I see debit alert. I don't first see 200k don't come out. And the evening don't you go when I will go block the account safe. No way when I can't go block the account. The money just go. For you know, the night again, other 200,000 don't debit. For you know, 50,000. So as I talk to you now, before I go block the ATM, only 200,000 there. And me
out of 600,000,
yes,
so she don't collect
50,000. She don't collect 450. So now the remaining one when they now try God now even use they go block my account. So.
You use God.
Yes, so if not, I know what I go do. Now what I want make she just come, help me call her. Make she come give me my ATM. Come pay me the 450k. I don't want the relationship again. I don't go even marry her.
The money.
Now just the money and my ATM now.
But then I want to ask you a question. This lady, you just tell me say on the planned marriage.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not going to say you did something. So I'm not going to put on to you say you do something wrong. But then come to think of it, a lady went on follow you stay for house for 3 years. Abi?
Yeah, she don't follow me the house 3 years now.
3 years now. She don't follow the house 3 years. Una don't they plan marriage.
Yes.
That kind of woman I just come off her house one day.
Probably she don't see better man than me now.
She don't ever carry your money before.
No, she never carry my money before. Now me they give her money.
Like she never carry her money without you, without asking you.
Before she finish school, now me help her finish school.
No, well, I'll calm down. No worry. You go give me your girl number. I go call her. Make I just call her. I won't feel like discuss something. Okay, just. Alright, guys. You've heard what he had to say. Just stay tuned. I'm going to call his girlfriend and we hear what she has to say. Alright, guys. We don't call in girl. I don't call in girl, and she will be here anytime soon. But then before she come, I won't make you just hide for corner. I beg, just hide because she tell me say she will come any moment from now. Madam.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, I'm the one that called you. How are you now? I get you you know, like I didn't know around the environment. But then again, before I tell you waiting make me now somebody give me your number to call you in. I won't make you see the person. Just hear it for me. Okay, pick. Come. Jesus. Jesus, you dey fear.
I dey see my 400,000 and your teeth.
Oga, Oga, I never wish that I dey first.
I see my 400,000.
Please come in, you know near you because this man dey para as he dey like this. You dey see our 400,000 and our teeth.
Yes, now you're with her. They see. If she no bring that money here.
450,000
where you don't withdraw from 1,000
wait,
from my account.
Oga, no worry, see, calm your pressure, Madam, you wait first. No verse here, I lie, say want, but then this matter is serious. Your boyfriend, he came to me and he complained that.
I beg.
Okay.
And person don't even deal with person like you.
He don't do, calm down.
Person like you.
Your ex-boyfriend, according to, let me talk and I talk. He say, I beg, come closer to him. He say, you come out from your house and you carry an ATM card. According to you withdraw 450,000 here.
Yes.
So I don't want make I not talk with my but I won't ask you a question. You now your boyfriend back before.
My boyfriend before and I don't even deal with person like this man. They
I won't come deal with you. Thief like you.
Wicked human being.
How long don't date together?
Thief like you.
We don't date this. I don't
know. 3 years.
Yes.
3 years and you just come out from your house like a week now.
As I did say, as you come, I be the hospital for coming. But see this man, this man a wicked man.
Oh yeah, wait, Oga, wait. I won't ask you again. You do this lady anything because she don't they call you wicked, and I'm not understanding.
I want money when they give, I be wicked.
This man no be human being.
Now because money they give you, I make you carry him.
This man no be human being.
Oh yeah, wait first. Moku hear from your man because he now don't tell me. Oga, calm down. I know. Wait, me if I get work to do, no vex, I beg.
Me and this man they wipe. This man say I know they wet. This man will carry crude oil.
Before they wet.
Crude oil.
Your mates they touch and they don't wet. They wet.
Crude. What thing carry crude oil?
Oil the way mechanic people they use.
Engine oil.
And this man carry my body.
You agree buy oil for the house. You agree buy
granted for the house. This man go use engine oil.
I beg one another verse. Wait, now never they understand.
She not agree buy.
That day my body just they worry me. Like I be even the
hospital before. What did they try talk so now to the wipe? Ain't can use engine oil as lubricant.
Yes.
Now guy you got to ask whether she buy groundnut oil for the house.
Madam they give her money. She know they use.
Now
groundnut oil they tell her say na funny.
This engine oil.
She know they
like
wet.
This man
Madam don't touch her tire.
Engine oil.
Madam some girls you go just follow them talk they don't wet. But this
engine
one.
Oil.
This one I know now that family cost now they do.
Wait, my wait I want get.
Even hospital before you come and say that money save I use and take the treat myself. The money no even reach.
Haba.
You dey use my money
Oga, wait, calm down now.
Which is the money I suppose use?
Now which is the money? You no go use your father money.
Which is money I suppose use?
Na papa na use engine oil for abi na crude oil.
Na my papa na my papa tell your papa me born person need the wet.
Jesus.
Carry engine oil like this man no get conscience like this man no be human being.
Calm down. The money that they give you I no buy either oil or grant oil.
Yeah, just, no worry, I don't want to stress you. Oga, wait till the part I want first here because you say she know they buy groundnut oil.
Madam.
What do you want? Wait now.
Madam, every
what do you want carry groundnut oil do?
She need a wet now lubricant now. All you know be oil. Madam, no dey laugh. Talk the truth.
Oh God, now wow, that they do for this country what we do. What? Wait first. How you go carry? You know no say engine oil, woman body. You know they good with them now.
Madam, no dey talk all this.
And they talk am now.
No dey talk all this. Wait till I tell you to come now. Talk now different thing.
No,
I want my money. I want
you don't tell me say you carry engine oil. Because that lubricant.
You no suppose enter air say person do that kind of thing. Now make I tell you say me I don't want my money make the relationship.
But then now she say her body dey worry her. You know even she say she dey come from hospital.
She no get papa.
Na my papa do.
Oga, but I don't want to say
all the money there when I don't give you. All the money there when I don't give you uncle.
Oga, wait. Right now,
because this wicked, this heartless winch.
Right now, you supposed to try to tell. Oga, you know say you dey guilty for this thing.
No, I know nothing. I dey guilty.
Oga, wait first.
Her body na dey.
No make me.
Her body na dey very useless. I don't know which kind of thing.
Wait first. She no dey agree wet. As she no dey wet, wetin? As she no dey wet now, why you wait me?
I go inside kitchen find ground oil. You know dey. I say ground oil you know dey.
But she no dey wet. Anything they do you like?
Every day I dey wound. Every day I dey wound. We are go hospital go check say she no gree now. Now you don't dey use my money.
Before anything dey wrong with you?
No. Nothing dey wrong with me.
Oh God, now.
You go in that kitchen to go find groundnut oil.
Nothing dey.
Wait, okay, wait. When you go bring the engine oil, you know they see am before.
I don't know say na engine oil you carry.
Why you no go know?
Did you know prepare you? I was like,
as a this na diet. The money I use save.
No be the first time when they use engine oil, they wipe woman.
The money I use.
okay, so you know they carry. Okay, you be wicked person. You know they carry engine oil, they wipe.
Madam,
girl.
I no talk say
They wipe
me.
people,
I
get
say people they do am.
Which people they do am?
Yes.
Call one person name where they do am.
Why go talk
Calm
am?
down.
We dey live, but me waiting that you come here, madam.
No,
You
but
dey
you
change this thing. Just give my money.
She not
to
fit give you
save
that
our
money. She not
time.
fit give you that money.
Give you that money.
Our
Whether
She
time.
not go fit give you that money. You know why?
To save our time.
She no go fit
the
give
money
you
no
that
reach.
money.
You know
Oh
reach.
God, now
She no fit give you that money. You
Why
know
she
why?
no go give
She
me
no
the
go
money?
give you that money. How she want to
The
give you that
money
money?
belong to our family.
It belongs
Which of
to
our family person
she carry
don't
am
get
take
450,000?
I beg, madam, you know
Eh?
Singapore, just they go. Leave this idiot. I just say na better thing.
Go where?
They go. Oga, not try am. They
No
go.
follow. No even call my number.
Go, no worry,
I
no
know.
worry.
I know your father house.
You know, I father wetin you want to.
See.
I beg, come off my front. I don't want to talk safe.